Hey guys, Jack here from Easy Fix Plumbing, and based on my own experiences and expertise, I'm excited to be giving you a quick overview of the BB600 bidet toilet seat made by Bio Bidet. Similar to a lot of things in life, the humble toilet seat isn't really even much thought until you need or want a specific feature from one. And like the bidets and the bidet seats, they've been around for centuries, mainly in the Asian counterparts. They are fast becoming a household item in the Western society. Bio Bidet's BB600 is one of the most popular and best-selling seats on Amazon.com, and for around the $300 mark, it's proven itself year after year to be among them. One of the best features that I like about Bio Bidet is that they're made in the USA and they use standard plumbing fittings and connections. Here's a few of the main key points that you get with the BB600. One is that you get a slow closing heated seat that you can adjust to suit your own comfort and likings. So during the winter you can turn it up a bit, during the summer you can turn it down, depends on where you are located. And like the seat, you can adjust the water to your own likings as well, so ideal for winter time. Instead of going for the cleanse and having that cold ambient freezing water, you've got pure heated water. And with just a push of a button, you also get a warm air dryer to finish off your full cleansing experience. And the customer opinions that are left on Amazon.com are fantastic. With over 1,200 reviews and a star rating of 4.5 out of 5, you can see why it's one of the most popular selling seats they have. Easy to install, you get all the parts for a standard installation as well as a step-by-step instruction book. And looking on the reviews, the majority of the customers that have purchased say an average of 20 to 30 minutes to install on their own. And backed by their 24-month warranty on their parts, you can rest assured that you're getting the highest quality and the best price. To read our full in-depth review on the Bio Bidet BB600, just click on the link below in the description, which will take you to our main website there where you'll be able to read the full report. Alright guys, thanks for watching our video today, and we'll see you on the next one. See ya.